So, ang next naman natin na gagawin is yung, saan na yan? Ito, yung intercept and modify request. Intercept is TTP request, proxy, enable intercept, visit Alturo Mutual, submit a form, e.g. login, and capture the request, modify the request, change the username or password. So let's do this. So first is intercept is on, then open browser, just wait, then copy natin yung test file. So yun, may nagpakitang request dito, host test file upgrade request 1 Mozilla Connect encoding language Crusader. Mozilla, ano ba yung sabi? Forward intercept, proxy intercept, enable visit Altoro, submit form, login capture. So capture the request, modify the request, change the username, forward, may forward the modify request and observe how to server response. Okay, so forward natin. So just wait, forward, check natin dun sa so ito Alturo Mutual, so okay naman siya, nagpa-pop up siya. And kapag nag-login tayo naman, login, so ito, palitan natin yung password, tapos password, so forward ulit natin, try. So ito, palitan natin ng username, sabi yung palitan yung username, change the username or password fields values. So lagay natin is BISIT tapos SSS, then login. So wait na, password submit, so forward natin, forward, wait, cookies, request one, ba't ayaw nyo malagin, system like ito, forward, login. So yung na lang, wait, try natin yung yung eto, ayun niya, then request natin, forward, like login, kung mag-login ka na ayaw naman, forward, request header attributes, okay, okay siya, intercept on, then so ito, papasok tayo sa Alturo manual. So explain natin yung demonstration. Show how Verbs captures the request, then which header body. So intercept is on muna natin, then open browser, just wait, tapos forward, so sign in, forward natin ulit, forward again, login, forward. So, login. Then, ito, copy natin. Tapos, ito siya, ito na yun, ito yun, pumasok na siya dito. So, try natin i-chat GPT. So, doon tayo. Hmm. So, just wait siya. So, yung post data natin is UID or 1 equals 1 password. Same din lang yung password tas email. Hit and submit login. This value are sent to the server at post login. So, ito yon. And what is this? The attackers is submitting or 1 equals 1 as both the username and password. If the server side SQL query looks like this, select from user where username $sign UAD and password pass. Then how to bypass authentication, normal login flow, user input username, password, server checks credential against database access, in granted only if credential match. With SQL injection, the query logic is broken using injected SQL. The condition 1 equals 1 is always true. Then the query returns the first user in the database. The app logs the attackers in, no valid credential needed. So ang impact of SQL injection, security risk, authentication bypass, anyone can log in without valid credential. Then data diff, attackers can exfiltrate sensitive data manipulation, insert, update, delete operation possible. Privilege escalation, admin access may be gained, server compromise with certain DBS commands can be executed on the OS. So, preventing SQL injection. Use prepared statement, parameterized queries. Example in PHP, video ito. So, valid and sanitized input. Use ORM frameworks like Eloquent, Hibernate, limit database permission. Use web application firewalls and regularly test using tools like SQL Map, OWA, SPZAP. So, that's it. That's it. Sir, thank you po.